Why is muscle protein synthesis key to hypertrophy? Have you ever wondered what really drives muscle growth? It all comes down to a process called muscle protein synthesis. This process is essential for athletes aiming to increase strength and power. When we talk about muscle growth, we are referring to hypertrophy, which occurs when muscle protein synthesis exceeds muscle protein breakdown. When an athlete engages in resistance training, the stress placed on muscle fibers triggers muscle protein synthesis. This process is responsible for creating new muscle proteins that lead to larger and stronger muscle fibers. Instead of increasing the number of muscle cells, muscle fibers grow by adding more myofibrils, which are the building blocks of muscle contraction. Now, let's talk about nutrition. Protein intake, especially amino acids like leucine, plays a vital role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Consuming protein shortly after a workout can enhance the muscle protein synthesis response. This is because exercise makes muscle cells more receptive to the benefits of amino acids. The combination of training and proper nutrition creates a powerful stimulus for muscle growth. Muscle protein synthesis is not a permanent state. After exercise, it peaks within a few hours and typically returns to baseline levels after about 24 to 48 hours. Factors like training experience and diet can influence this timeframe. To achieve cumulative muscle growth, athletes should engage in repeated bouts of resistance training and ensure they consume adequate protein over time. For practical training, athletes should focus on a few key strategies. First, perform resistance exercises with sufficient intensity, usually around 70 to 90% of one repetition maximum. Alternatively, lighter loads can be used until fatigue is reached. Second, prioritize high-quality protein sources that contain all essential amino acids, particularly leucine. Distributing protein intake evenly throughout the day helps maintain a positive muscle protein balance. Third, timing is essential. Consuming protein around workout sessions takes advantage of the increased sensitivity of muscles to amino acids after exercise. Lastly, maintaining an overall energy balance is important for muscle growth. While an energy surplus can support greater hypertrophy, it is not strictly necessary if protein intake and training are optimized. In essence, muscle protein synthesis is key to hypertrophy because it directly contributes to the increase in muscle fiber size. Resistance training activates muscle protein synthesis, and protein intake supplies the necessary building blocks. Managing both effectively is essential for athletes focused on muscle growth.